writer also.
I stand before you today with a heart filled with gratitude and admiration as we reflect upon the enriching journey of expertise and knowledge that has brought us to the esteemed halls of the MMU, Malacca, Malaysia. This visit has been a testament to the power of collaboration, learning, and the exchange of ideas.
And companies under the Companies Act 2026, that is our Malaysian Companies Act 2026, yeah, they have provided a provisions on who is this board of directors, all right? And that is very common in all the Commonwealth countries, all right? And of the interest here that I would
welcome all to MMU, especially to meet our faculty of law staff and faculty for this kind of visit and exchange as shown on the screen, postgraduate study, SPT study, and international community.
Based on Trinita Karana and is committed to playing a role in the development and preservation of the culture and wealth of the island of the gods through education. Universitas Ngurah Rai is located in the east of Denpasar.
Isn't it? I'm sorry for that, but this has happened in everywhere, in around the world. They will target on that crime. That's why they need something proper to protect it. Existing legalized next protect tourism can be they approved also, improved also by the law regulation, put in on the visa. No, we can see why tourism need like this. In Indonesia, we compare to Malaysia. Malaysia is more extend, more future, more front than us on the tourism industry, on the visa. I saw actually like for example the program Malaysia My Home. Malaysia My Home. No, it's actually Indonesia could inspire. No, actually, we actually doing that also. Indonesia is second home. That program also same. That program also very easy. They didn't want really invest. They didn't want really work in Indonesia. They want just what is called make it easy, make the money easy. Yeah. We in practice normally we know that. Yeah. I have a very good friend. They actually lawyer in Malaysia that very famous, and then also he actually put a visit for the president previously, Mr. Ramli, in Kuala Lumpur. Who actually Malaysian people normally go there, ask us what's Indonesian regulation to put in something money there. You cannot be stupid if you want coming here, walking in here, and then give money with somebody with driver. With the what is called bank masa, and then suddenly okay, my property under your name. This is that. I will okay, no problem. That's one thing today. More people inspire is very good. That's why we study one thing, where we study to put together like that, to discuss, to see the effect, to see the reality, and then to get implement it. Okay, I will give a sample. When we do the Indonesian visa, what they need, what they apply on the retirement people is they must be put the visa, they must be put the passport. The passport must be validity 18 months before that. That's why we cannot afford from that. But we must do also like this. Number two, also they have letter from the immigration.
In Malaysia, approach emphasizes ecotourism through partnership with NGO and communities to protect natural sites like Taman Negara and the rainforest of Borneo. The National Ecotourism Plan promotes responsible tourism aiming to protect ecosystem.